just an update to what's been going on here. A lot of wind over here. Wow. I mean, it's just crazy. On your house, then what do you do? You know, it's stuff we gotta figure out. There's plenty of seeds at Home Depot for your gardens. I'm looking for a special type of seed here. I'm not sure. Crazy day. Crazy day, guys. Bonnie seeds. Oh, what's that? Raspberries? I don't know what they are. They got a whole bunch of stuff you could grow in pots as well. You got all the stuff you can plant in your gardens, guys. Asparagus, garlic, rhubarb, onions, pomegranate tree. I don't know if this is still going. I would like to get a pomegranate tree. Potatoes, all kinds of stuff here. Potatoes. Bulbs for flowers. Home Depot, guys. You can get all this stuff. Hopefully the house is still okay. No heavy trees have fallen. You can see stuff is blowing all over the place in Home Depot. Debris, stuff blowing around, guys. Look at all this stuff on the floor here. Just blowing around in Home Depot. Plastic things over there are just going crazy in the wind. Chimes. I guess this would be a safe place to be in case of of a tornado, you know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. Alright, I'm gonna head back. There's all the chimes, guys. Plants laying all on the ground, plants laying underneath. This is a Home Depot, guys. Everything knocked over, stuff that was picked up. Look at this cabinet down. You know, stuff laying in the aisles from the heavy winds that came through here. Wow. Trees laying. Alright, yeah, we're gonna head out. I want to see if they have the oil. I don't even know where the oils would be for the lanterns if they have it here. Trees laying down, guys. Alright, see you inside. Okay, guys, there's Walmart. We just came out of Walmart. No lines, not too bad, just walk right in. Got a whole bunch of wicks. Lamp wick. So I gotta change the wick. And I got this lamp right here. This is a real nice lamp. It's like 12 bucks, 12, 13 bucks, a nice oil lamp. Perfect. I mean, overall, a lot of people not wearing masks at all. Maybe 10% of people wear masks, the other 90% no mask. So I think this mask thing is wearing out. I think people are tired of it. And I think this virus is over myself. I don't think it's actually a threat anymore, if it ever was, but I think it's pretty much cleared up. It's almost 70 out, 60 something degrees here, so it's warming up over in this area. Leaves are coming out in these small trees and bushes, and it's starting to be really nice out, guys. So grass, you can see grass, dandelions, good sight to see. Dandelions is because they're low on calcium. If you have dandelions, they're good for building calcium in your yard. That's why they pop up there. There's a whole bunch right here. I got 2 of these lamp oils. I don't know how much they use. Then reinsert a new wick. If it's the same size as this wick, we don't know. See what we can do. Good guys, there's the hail. Now we're getting hail. It's all hail. This is not a big hail yet. If it does get big, we'll tell you. Okay guys. A ½ inch of hail. I'll say so. Almost. Let's say around a ½ inch of hail. You can see there's quite a bit here. So it's probably even more than a ½ inch. What's up guys? We can't get nothing done with this weather. Look at it come down. I mean, look at the snow come down, guys. Crazy or what? Yeah guys, so look at this freaking snow, man. It's freaking cold, man. Nice, look at this guys. Freaking ice, crazy.